Okay, so welcome to your maths lesson for today. We're continuing to use formal methods for division. So hopefully we can understand the language divisor, quotient and dividend. We should be able to use your times table knowledge to aid you and understand that you are sharing the dividend. So let's move on to the starter. You are looking for the factors of the following numbers: 25, 17 and 32. Now for those of you that can't remember what that means, I will find for you the first couple, the first two for 25. So I'm going to share with you the number 1 and the number 25. So they are factors of 25 because when I multiply them together, they make 25. Can you do the same, please? There's another 1 for 25, but can you do the same, please, for the others? So pause the video here, have a go, and come back to me when you're ready. Super, welcome back. So you should have had 5 times 5 is 25. 1 times 25 is 25. Those were the only ones that you could have. And then for 17, you could have 1 times 17. And again, that was all that you could have. So 17, because it's only got 1 and itself as its factors, 17 is prime. Okay, and then finally for 32, 32 finishes with a 2, so it must be even. It's got 2 and 16. It's got 32 and 1. It's got 8 and 4. Has it got any others? I think that's all of them. I wonder whether you found any that I didn't. Okay, but factors are numbers that we multiply together to make the number in the circle. Okay, let's move on. So can you label each part of this division? Hopefully last week you will have found out what the following words: divisor, dividend, quotient and remainder mean. But if not, then have a go and hopefully you label them correctly. So again, pause the video here, have a go and come back to me when you're ready. Super. The most obvious one, of course, is remainder, and that is in orange. We have got the divisor, which is the number that we are dividing by. We have got the dividend, which is the number that we are actually dividing. And we have got the last one, the quotient. Fabulous. Okay, let's move on again. Can you find the answers to the following? Do any of them have remainders? So remember, you're going to use bus stop method for this, which looks like this. So can you do each one using this method? Again, pause the video here and off you go. Fabulous, welcome back. So 3s into 3 go once, 3s into 6 go twice, 3s into 4 go once, and I have 1 remaining. 3s into 7 go twice, I have 1 left over. 3s into 14 go 4 and I have 2 remaining. And 3s into 25 go 8 with 1 remaining. Finally, 4s into 8 go twice. 4s do not go into 2, but 4s do go into 27, and they go into 27 6 times with 3 remaining. So well done if you got that right. Can you now try the ones with 4 digits? Again, you're going to use the same method. Okay, pause the video here and have a go. Fabulous, welcome back. So 5s into 8 goes once with 3 remaining. 5s into 37 goes 7 with 2 remaining. 5s into 22 go 4 with 2 remaining. And 5s into 26 go 5 with 1 remaining. The next one, 3s into 9 go 3. 3s do not go into 0. 3s into 1 do not go. 3s into 14 go 4 times with 2 remaining. Okay, last one, 7s into 7 goes once. 7s do not go into 6. 7s go into 63 9 times. 7s do not go into 1. So we've got a remainder of 1 there. Okay, moving on to some problem solving. A pot holds 6 pencils. How many pots can be made from 51 pencils? Now we need to consider rucksack. So we need to read the question. I've done that. We need to understand what are the important pieces. The numbers, of course. So 6 and 51. Okay. We need to choose an operation. Okay. So we know that we are dividing. We need to solve. We then need to answer and then check. Okay, now of course I'm dividing, I'm making my numbers smaller. I cannot try to divide 6 by 51. So that means I must be dividing 51 by 6. 6 is my divisor, the number that I'm dividing by. 51 is my dividend, the number that I am actually dividing or sharing. Okay, can I fit 6 into 5? No, I can't. Can I fit 6 into 51? Yes, I can. So I need to count in 6s. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. That took me 8. And I have 3 remaining. So how many pots can be filled by pencils? Well, actually, my answer is not 8 remainder 3, sorry, because I can't have remainder 3 pots. So my answer to this question, how many pots can be made? My answer would be 8 pots. Let's look at the next one. This time, a teacher has 48 pencils and 27 pens. The teacher shares the pens and pencils equally into 6 pots. How many writing implements are shared into each pot? So similar to the last one. Okay, I've read. I'm going to understand. I need this and this. Oh, if I need that and that, they're sharing 48 pencils and 27 pens. That's interesting. The teacher shares the pens and pencils equally into each of the 6 pots. How many writing implements are shared into each pot? So there are 2 ways you could do this. You could do 48, add 27, and then divide by 6. Or you could divide each one individually, which is what I'm going to do, and then add the 2 answers together. And I think that that will be more accurate, because then there will be an equal amount of pens in each and an equal amount of pencils in each. So 48 divided by 6. Oh, I found this out on the last one, but let's count in 6s anyway. In fact, 6 does not go into 4, and that's why we're counting in 6s. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48. That took me 8, and I got there. Now I need to share 27 between 6. 6 does not go into 2. Does 6 go into 27? So let's count again. 6, 12, 18, 24. Oh, it goes 4 times with 3 remaining. Okay, now I need to add my 2 answers together. So I need to add this answer and this answer. So I'm going to do 8, add 4, remainder 3, which gives me 12, remainder 3. How many writing implements are shared into each pot? Well, this remainder 3, they are not shared. They are the remaining pens or pencils. So my answer is 12. 12 pens or pencils. And that is our lesson for today. So you will find underneath bronze, silver, gold, there is a table of 3 different parts: fluency, reasoning and problem solving. Bronze, just do section 1, which is the fluency. Silver, do the fluency and the middle section, which I believe is reasoning. And gold, do fluency, reasoning and problem solving where possible. Okay, it's up to you how much you do. I'm happy for you to decide based on what you think we would give you at school. And if you find that you finish the bronze and you think you can carry on, then please do. We'd be very, very happy to see you all challenging yourselves. Have a lovely day.